Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone, and then you have to go into the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see right here, let's wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find WhatsApp. After that, click on it. Now this is the app informations page. Or what you wanna do here is one thing. Just click on this force stop option, and then you have to go to the home page back and open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp and click on update to update it into the latest version. After that, you have to go into the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it again. If the problem is not solved yet, then you have to make sure to change your network or just fix the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Don't forget to like, subscribe.